In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and associate multiple objects in one file in HubSpot. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently bring in your data and link it together correctly. Before you start, make sure you're already logged into your HubSpot account and that you've prepared your import file, usually a CSV or Excel file, with clear column headers. This will make the mapping process at the end much easier. First, from your HubSpot account, look at the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Find the option labeled CRM and click on it. This is where HubSpot keeps your core records like contacts, companies, deals, and other objects. By going into the CRM, you're telling HubSpot that you want to work with your database rather than your marketing tools or settings. Once you're in the CRM, click on Contacts. Even if you're importing other objects or associations, the Contacts section is a common starting place for imports, and it gives you quick access to the tools you need. When the Contacts page loads, you'll see your existing list of records along with filters and views across the top. On this page, look for the button that says Add Contacts and click it. This button is usually towards the upper right area of the screen. It's used not just for adding a single contact manually, but also for bulk actions like imports. After clicking Add Contacts, you'll see several options for how to create new records. Choose Import. This tells HubSpot that you want to bring in data from a file instead of typing it in one by one. Imports are the fastest way to handle large lists and set up multiple associations at once. You'll now land on the main import screen. Here, click on Import Data. This starts the guided process where HubSpot walks you through what you're importing, whether it's a single object or multiple objects in one file, and how they relate to each other. Next, click on Start Import. This moves you into the step-by-step import wizard. From this point onward, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to upload your file, confirm what kind of objects you're importing, and specify how they should be associated. Pay close attention to the field mapping stage, where HubSpot matches your column headers to its own properties. Make sure your association columns, such as IDs or email addresses, line up correctly. Once you confirm everything, submit the import and wait for HubSpot to process it. When it's done, review a few records to ensure the objects were created and associated as expected.